Good morning. I am Riji, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about Unit for Cognitive Radio. On completion of topic, students can understand the basics of cognitive radio. What is a cognitive radio? So here there are lot of definitions are given, but IEEE approved definition of cognitive radio is a radio in which communication system are aware of the environment and internal state and can make decision about the radio operation based upon the information and predefined objective. That means radio operation. The environment information may not include location information related to communication system. Cognitive radio is very good solution for increasing the spectrum. Cognitive radio should be able to self-organize their communication based on sensing and reconfigurable function. Spectrum resource management. This scheme is necessary to manage and organize effectively spectrum holds information among cognitive radio. So the CR device concept. This section explains the features of CR whose implementation is single device offers very smart and high performance terminal. The figure 2 point shows the spectrum sensing operation can be divided into three-step function: signal detection, signal classification, channel availability detection. In this step of operation, existence of signal is sensed. Signal classification. In this type of operation, this type of signal is detected, which is done by extracting the features of the signal. In this channel, availability is detected. Once the free channel detected, the next step to share the spectrum holds, which is achieved by the spectrum allocation. The cognitive radio technology bring a new security and pricing challenges. Security threat with the dynamic access concept. The pricing is much influenced by the channel allocation. The phenomena of changing dynamically is called spectrum handover. So environmental adaptation of different changes like topological changes, noise or interference power may occur while sensing the information. The concept of CR is given in the diagram. So this diagram is very big, even though we can understand some of the basic how this cognitive radio can be used for different technique. So if you see the block diagram, CR routing, that is routing is based on the requirement of CR device, which is influenced by sharing technique. That is CRN inherit primary system network characteristic, infrastructure based, mesh, ad hoc and sensor network. And this architecture imposes a specific routing algorithm which also includes CR device and possibility of CR to the node to CR. So here if you are seeing the CR based technique consists of various functionalities, that is advanced physical and MAC layer technology, improvement of novel, implementation of novel and flexible protocols, capacity to support homogeneous and heterogeneous system, adaptation to changes like environmental changes, dynamic frequency changes, etc. So these are the technologies which will compute this CR. So the terminal convergence is supported by the user need and demand is strongly in CR terminal. So from this, what is the purpose of cognitive radio? To enhance satellite communication, to optimize the use of radio frequency spectrum, increase TV clarity, internet. The users who have license access to frequency band are secondary user, tertiary user, primary user, random user. Which type of network layer is using cognitive radio? Data link layer, application layer, network layer, physical layer.